Garden, northern Franklin, Delaware, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:44 p.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from East Liberty to Amity, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. A wind gust to 59 miles an hour was reported at the Marysville Union County Airport at 4:45 p.m. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Marysville, Dublin, Richwood, Powell, Worthington, Polaris, Delaware, Sunbury, Ashley. In addition, Raymond, Ridgeway, Broadway, U.S. Route 33 at U.S. Route 42, Newdover, Byhalia, Mount Victory, Summersville, Watkins, Ferrisburg, Shawnee Hills, Ostrander, Columbus Zoo, Cyclone Magnetic Springs are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. This includes the following Interstate 71 between mile markers 119 and 139. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.